Welcome back to Bike Shift, your trusted place for honest, in-depth motorcycle insights. Today, we take a closer look at a motorcycle that has been a symbol of reliability for over a decade, the 2025 Honda CB Unicorn 150. Honda has brought back this classic with subtle updates, refined performance, and the same timeless appeal that made it a favorite among commuters and enthusiasts alike. The 2025 model carries forward the Unicorn's iconic design language, simple, clean, and elegant. Honda hasn't tried to overstyle the bike, instead, the focus remains on practicality and long-term durability. The smooth, flowing tank design, comfortable seating posture, and solid build quality make the new Unicorn instantly familiar, yet refreshing enough for 2025. At the heart of the 2025 CB Unicorn 150 is its proven 149.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine, tuned for exceptional refinement and consistency. The power delivery remains linear, making it ideal for daily commuting, city traffic, and long highway rides. Honda has enhanced fuel mapping to offer better mileage, improved throttle response, and reduced emissions while keeping that legendary smoothness intact. The 5-speed gearbox continues to offer crisp, effortless shifts. Riders can expect a comfortable cruising speed with minimal vibrations, one of the Unicorn's long-standing strengths. Comfort has always been a major selling point for the Unicorn, and the 2025 version stays true to that reputation. The bike features the trusted monoshock rear suspension, offering great stability and cushioning even on rough roads. The well-padded single-piece seat ensures fatigue-free rides for both rider and pillion. The riding triangle is upright and natural, making the Unicorn suitable for long daily commutes and occasional weekend rides. Honda continues to focus on everyday usability rather than sporty aggression. Though the 2025 CB Unicorn 150 doesn't go overboard with technology, it includes practical updates such as LED lighting, an improved semi-digital instrument cluster, and Honda's enhanced smart power technology for better efficiency. Safety is supported by a front disc brake with single-channel ABS, ensuring confident stopping power. One of the Unicorn's biggest strengths is its fuel efficiency. Riders can expect impressive real-world mileage, making it a cost-effective choice for long-term ownership. Combined with Honda's industry-leading reliability and low maintenance costs, the Unicorn remains a dependable partner for everyday life. The 2025 Honda CB Unicorn 150 stays true to its roots. Simple, reliable, comfortable, and built to last. While it may not chase modern trends, it delivers what truly matters: a refined ride, dependable performance, and unmatched comfort. Thank you for watching Bike Shift. If you appreciate legendary machines like the Unicorn, make sure to stay tuned for more reviews, comparisons, and updates. Ride safe, and see you in the next one.